Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add zip code to Vanilla gift card. So once you open this website vanillagift.com and you need to log in into your account. Once you log in, you simply need to click on check balance, and once you are on that page, here you can see that manage your Vanilla gift card. Here you need to add your card number, your expiration date, and click on continue. Once you click on that, you can easily see your card, and in the bottom you can find an option to add the zip code, and you need to click on that and you can simply add your zip code. Currently I do not have Vanilla gift card, so I am unable to show you, but this is the method that you need to follow to add zip code to Vanilla gift card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.